Merry Christmas, everyone. Magic Pat here with Real Beasts, and we're at Kelly's family's house. Well, we are about to go to. Not going to be a fishing video today. We're just hanging out with friends and family. I plan on taking Pup's new toy and putting it on a fishing pole, playing with him for a little bit. I'm actually going to post that here for the video just so y'all can kind of see the shenanigans we did with him. And that's going to be it. Y'all have a Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, whichever one that you prefer. And we'll see y'all here in another couple of days. We'll put another video out. Just relax and have fun with your family, everyone. Peace.
So we have a toy whale on fishing line. And he is chasing it.
Oh, got a bite. He's taking drag. He's taking drag. He got a big one on Christmas. Follow him around.
Oh God.
Get it, boy. Come on with it. Take a drag.
I'll just follow him so he goes faster. Oh, don't entangle me.
Give it up. Give it up. Come on, give it up.
He's like, I give up.